Virtual assistant. There are 10 profitable ways to work as a virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant is not only a fulfilling professional path, but it's also a great way to make money at home. 1. Administrative tasks. Virtual assistants can help businesses with administrative duties such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and organizing files. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners seek assistance with these tasks, creating a high demand for virtual assistants. 2. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses and entrepreneurs. This includes creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing social media metrics to improve online presence. 3. Content creation. Assist clients with content creation, including writing blog posts, articles, newsletters, or creating multimedia content. Your writing and creative skills can be valuable assets to businesses looking to establish a strong online presence. 4. Customer service. Provide customer support services such as answering customer inquiries, resolving issues, and processing orders. Many companies outsource their customer service to virtual assistants, creating several prospects in this area. 5. Graphic design and multimedia services. If you have design skills, offer graphic design services for social media posts, marketing materials, or websites. Additionally, create multimedia content like videos and podcasts for clients. 6. Email marketing. Assist businesses in creating and managing email marketing campaigns. This includes designing newsletters, managing subscriber lists, and analyzing email campaign performance. 7. Project management. Help businesses with project coordination, task management, and team communication. Virtual assistants skilled in project management tools are highly sought after. 8. Online research. Conduct market research, competitor analysis, or other types of online research for businesses. Your ability to gather valuable information can be a valuable service. 9. Website management. Assist clients with website management tasks, such as updating content, installing plugins, and ensuring the website is running smoothly. Basic knowledge of website platforms like WordPress is essential. 10. Online tutoring and training. If you have expertise in a specific area, offer online tutoring or training services. This could include teaching languages, software skills, or other specialized knowledge. The beauty of virtual assistants is its versatility. You can tailor your services to match your skills and passions. Graphic design. There are 10 viable ways to make a living off your artistic abilities. These tactics can enable you to succeed in the cutthroat design market, regardless of your level of experience. 1. Freelance graphic design. One of the most popular ways to make money in graphic design is by freelancing. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Freelancing allows you to work with clients worldwide and build a diverse portfolio. 2. Logo design. Specialize in creating unique and memorable logos for businesses. A well-designed logo is crucial for brand identity, and companies are willing to pay top dollar for a standout logo that represents their brand effectively. 3. Web design. Designing websites is a highly lucrative skill. With the increasing demand for online presence, businesses are constantly seeking skilled web designers to create visually appealing and user-friendly websites. Mastering web design can open doors to numerous opportunities. 4. Print design. Dive into the world of print design by creating marketing materials such as brochures, flyers, posters, and business cards. Many businesses, especially local ones, rely on print materials for their marketing campaigns. 5. Social media graphics. As social media continues to dominate the digital landscape, businesses need eye-catching graphics for their social platforms. Create social media posts, banners, and ads to help businesses enhance their online presence. 6. Merchandise design. Partner with print-on-demand companies to design merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Your designs can be featured on various products, and you earn a commission for each sale. 7. E-book and print book covers. Authors and publishers are always on the lookout for captivating book cover designs. If you have a flair for storytelling through visuals, offering book cover design services can be a profitable niche. 8. Infographics design. Infographics are popular for presenting complex information in a visually engaging way. Businesses, educators, and researchers often require infographics to convey data and statistics effectively. Designing informative and visually appealing infographics can be a lucrative venture. 9. UI/UX design. User interface (UI) and user experience (UX) design are critical for creating user-friendly digital products and websites. Invest time in learning about user behavior and design interfaces that provide seamless and enjoyable experiences. Skilled UI/UX designers are in high demand. 10. Online courses and tutorials. If you're an experienced graphic designer, consider sharing your knowledge by creating online courses and tutorials. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare allow you to monetize your expertise and reach a global audience of aspiring designers. Remember, your creativity is your greatest asset. Continuously refine your skills, stay updated with design trends, and most importantly, believe in the value of your work. Online tutoring. These are 10 lucrative methods to monetize your knowledge. With the rise of online education, there are endless opportunities for passionate tutors. Whether you're an expert in math, languages, science, or any other subject, these strategies will help you monetize your expertise. 1. Tutoring platforms. Join online tutoring platforms like Tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, or Wyzant. These platforms connect you with students seeking help in various subjects. You can set your rates and earn money by tutoring students from around the world. 2. Specialized subjects. Focus on teaching specialized subjects or skills such as coding, music theory, or exam preparation for standardized tests like the SAT or GRE. Specializing in niche areas often allows you to charge higher rates. 3. Language tutoring. If you're fluent in multiple languages, offer language tutoring services. Language learners are always in demand, and you can conduct lessons through video calls, making it convenient for both you and your students. 4. Academic coaching. Provide academic coaching services to help students improve their study skills, time management, and overall academic performance. Many students seek guidance beyond traditional subject tutoring. 5. Homework help services. Offer homework help services for students struggling with their assignments. You can assist them in understanding concepts and completing their homework accurately. 6. Group classes. Host group tutoring sessions or classes. This approach allows you to teach multiple students simultaneously, maximizing your earning potential while providing affordable options for learners. 7. Test preparation. Specialize in test preparation for exams like the ACT, SAT, GRE, or IELTS. Develop customized study plans and strategies to help students excel in these tests, and offer packages that include multiple sessions. 8. Create online courses. Develop comprehensive online courses in your area of expertise. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera allow you to create and sell courses to a global audience. Passive income can be generated as students enroll in your courses. 9. Homework review services. Offer homework review services where students submit their assignments for your feedback. This asynchronous method allows you to review assignments at your convenience and provide valuable feedback. 10. Academic consultation. Provide academic consultation services to parents and students. Offer guidance on selecting courses, choosing the right educational path, and planning for college or university admissions. Many families value expert advice in these areas. Keep in mind that the secret to good tutoring rests not only in your subject matter knowledge but also in your capacity for inspiring learning.